When you are living inside the Apple ecosystem, a password manager becomes one of those tools that quietly affects your everyday experience. Your phone, your laptop, your tablet, and even your watch all touch your passwords. So choosing the right manager can make things smoother or more frustrating depending on what you go with. Two of the most popular choices are iCloud Keychain and 1Password. Both are secure and reliable, but they serve slightly different types of users. Let's start with iCloud Keychain. Since it's built directly into iPhone, iPad, and Mac devices, it feels almost invisible. You create a password, it saves. You log in somewhere new, it fills. It also syncs using your Apple ID, so everything stays up to date across your devices without any work from you. Apple has also improved its passwords interface in recent updates, making it easier to browse logins, generate strong passwords, and store verification codes. It supports passkeys, credit card filling, and secure notes for simple details. The biggest benefit is that it is free and integrated. You do not have to learn anything new or install anything. But the main limitation is that it is really for Apple users only. While there are a few ways to use it outside the ecosystem, it is not nearly as seamless. If you use Windows, Android, or switch platforms often, Keychain starts to feel restrictive. Now let us talk about 1Password. This is a dedicated password manager designed to work across many devices and operating systems. It lets you create multiple vaults, share access with others, store secure notes, identity documents, and software licenses. If you work with different devices, or if you collaborate with family or a team, this flexibility is important. The interface in 1Password gives you more control. You can tag entries, search through everything quickly, attach files, and even secure custom forms of information. It also works well in browsers through its extensions, so filling passwords and payment methods feels smooth regardless of what platform you are on. Security is strong in both tools, but 1Password gives you more features to manage complexity. The trade-off is that it comes with a subscription cost. You pay for the convenience, organization features, and cross-platform flexibility. So which one should you choose? If you use only Apple devices and want something that just works in the background without setup, iCloud Keychain is perfect. It is reliable, integrated into every Apple device you own, and you never have to think about it. It is the effortless option. But if you use more than just Apple devices, or you manage many passwords across work and personal life, or you want to share access with family or teammates, 1Password will feel more capable. It handles complexity gracefully, and it scales with your needs. Choose iCloud Keychain if you value simplicity, no subscriptions, and you live fully inside the Apple ecosystem. Choose 1Password if you want more control, more features, and the ability to use your passwords anywhere on any device. Either way, the important thing is that you use a password manager at all. It is one of the simplest ways to keep your digital life secure and stress-free.